Welcome to Certified Heating and Cooling, where excellence in service meets 5-star maintenance expertise. As a customer, you can expect nothing short of exceptional care and precision from our certified technicians. Let's take a journey through what you can anticipate when you choose us for your heating and cooling needs. Our technicians are not just experts, they're artisans of HVAC systems. When you schedule a maintenance appointment with us, you're entrusting your comfort to skilled professionals who leave no stone unturned. From inspecting filters to checking electrical connections, our technicians meticulously examine every component of your system. They understand that preventative maintenance is the key to ensuring your HVAC system operates at peak performance year-round. At Certified Heating and Cooling, customer satisfaction is not just a goal, it's our commitment. Our technicians go above and beyond to exceed your expectations, leaving you with peace of mind and a comfortable home environment. So when you choose Certified Heating and Cooling for your maintenance needs, expect nothing but the best. Experience the difference of 5-star service today.